女士们、先生们，大家好！很高兴借助这个平台，向大家介绍一下巴塞尔在目前建设智能化城市发展中的一些项目。我是曲淼淼，负责巴塞尔商业协调工作。巴塞尔是瑞士第一大工业城市。众所周知，瑞士罗氏有限公司和诺华有限公司的发源地就在巴塞尔。巴塞尔排行于世界最宜居城市的前10名，和上海是姐妹友好城市。瑞士市场开发度和国际化水平高，巴塞尔处在德法瑞交界地，实行自由经济政策，政府尽量减少干预。巴塞尔是最具创新的城市，拥有最多的专利。今年新任市长杨子先生提出今后4年的发展方向，着重于绿色技术、环保节能，共建城市信息平台。在过去的几年中，瑞士在绿色建筑方面取得了非常大的进展。近2年，瑞士研制成功用于智能气候的传感器，控制大城市空气污染状况，进一步提高居民的生活质量。近几年，各大城市纷纷建立了城市智能实验基地，在这里，诚挚欢迎国内外投资商到巴塞尔的实验基地开发合作项目，共同推动全球数字化转型以及数字节能平台的发展。下面您将会看到巴塞尔智能协会和4眼公司在智能发展中的一些具体项目。
Wherever you are, governments play an important role in creating smart cities. Governments drive innovation by creating the conditions for innovative people and businesses to develop new ideas. We initiate our own projects, we partner up with businesses and research institutes, and we create a framework for innovation by means of governments, investments and regulation. The ultimate aim of being a smart city is quality of life for the people in Basel, whether you are living here, working here or visiting. We are facing challenges we need to actively engage with: climate change, demographic change and structural change on many levels. Basel provides the perfect time and place to start working on tomorrow. We have a growing population and economy. Our quality of life is already high, and several urban areas are undergoing transformation in the next years. The time to work on the future is always now, and collaboration is the key. We are creating a bright future together.
in Basel, we have a cooperation called Smart Regio Basel, and we try to connect people, companies and ideas in order to add a value to any topic of digitalization. And you might wonder why we're talking about Smart Regio Basel and not a smart city. This is because we think that digitalization is such a big topic that you cannot have boundaries somewhere or borders. So living in Basel, we are very close to other countries, meaning Germany and France. It's the three countries corner, and also we have different cantons in Switzerland. So the regio means that we want to be an important player for the whole region. We bring people together about a certain topic, for example, smart mobility, and then try to discuss the different ideas and look for one solution that fits all, instead of like everyone working in different silos.
We invest ourselves into the development of a smart region because we believe that political borders need to be crossed in order to create more efficient, more sustainable, and more user-friendly solutions. With Smart Climate, we have created what is currently the world's densest urban measurement network with continuous recording of temperature and precipitation. Today, about 180 climate sensors in about 20 municipalities in Switzerland, Germany and France measure precipitation and air temperature and send their data to the open government data platform of the Canton of Basel-Stadt on an hourly basis. In addition, the Basel-based weather service provider Meteo Blue AG, who is involved in the project, set up a city climate website based on the adjusted and corrected data from the Smart Climate Network. This highly precise urban climate forecast, unique in its level of detail, is made available to the public free of charge. 10 air pollution sensors and 5 noise sensors are also integrated into the measurement network. Some use cases based on the network have already been launched, such as before and after measurements of the effects of urban development measures on the microclimate in the city. And a training project for high schools, where young people experiment with their own sensor kits and thus learn about important topics like IoT, sensor technology, urban development and climate change. Our goal is to evaluate requests from the research community to enable the permanent monitoring of urban planning measures and to further expand the network, for example with wind sensors. If an idea about how to use our data pops up in your mind, don't hesitate to check out our network and get in contact. Thanks for your attention, enjoy the rest of the Congress, and best wishes from Basel.
Hi, I'm Markus. I founded my companies 15 years ago in this innovative ecosystem we have here in Basel, with many interesting players and facilitating organizations such as the Smart Regio Basel, which helps bring these cool people together. And this actually helped me to get my company to space, but I will talk about that in a minute. First, you might think collaboration slows you down, right? You have to talk to people, agree on stuff. But in my experience, I can tell you that you'll get a much better market fit of your product or your service if you involve the people. And also, if you involve potential customers right from the start, you have a very credible source to prove that your product is actually delivering what is promised. So about our travels to space. I was approached by a company owner which has an engineering company that creates optical systems for space, so satellites and the like. And he was complaining about the time his engineers have to spend on paperwork, which is tremendous in this industry. As he heard me talk about blockchain, he approached me and said, wouldn't that be a good technology fit to the problem? And we looked at it more in detail and we came to the conclusion that this is a really good fit. But we want to have this project or this service available to all the industry, and we needed to move fast. So we looked around, and it's not hard to find good collaboration partners here in Basel. So we went to the university, as they have a department specializing in this kind of activities, and we've set up the collaboration within about 2 weeks, and we were ready to start going. So we will have a product out there quite quickly with all the involved parties input. So you see, Basel has a very welcoming culture and a huge range of experts from private companies, from universities. We have the organizations such as Smart Regio Basel, who brings all these people together, and this is a great opportunity for you and your business to grow and expand all over Europe.
非常感谢各位的关注。中瑞建交已经71年之久，感谢上海智能开发研究院的院长盛雪峰先生提供的这次线上空间。希望通过这次线上交流，能够引发国内外投资商的兴趣，促进中瑞相互合作，开拓商业企业交流机会，为推动国际数据网络打下基础。欢迎国内外的投资商和大专院校到巴塞尔开发合作项目，共同探讨国际城市智能城市的合作方式。谢谢大家。